So let's talk about bearing. So note that UTME bearing is different from WAEC bearing. So note that first. So in UTME bearing, most questions you see on bearing is a reverse bearing. But let's start with the concepts of the bearing. So first, you have to remember your cardinal points. So where here is north, south, east, and west. So in bearing, we read the angle from north like this. So that's how you read the angle in bearing. And take notes, each quadrant here is 90 degree. So that means the angle here is 90 degree. The angle here is also 90 degree. The angle here is also 90 degree. The angle here is also 90 degree. So total angles here is 360 degree. So and take notes, I can combine the angles also. Remember, from here to here is 90. So if I extend it to this is another 90. Everything here is 180. If I extend it again to this place, everything is 270. Then if I extend it again to this place, that is 360. So if I have a question in bearing, first you have to know how to locate direction in bearing. So bearing is actually direction. So how do you locate the direction in this cardinal? North, south, east, west. If I ask you to locate a bearing of 183 degree, where do you think 183 degree will fall in this quadrant? Is it here, 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 or here that you can find 183 degree? Remember, I said angle in bearing, you start from north like this. So now let's see. So remember, from here to here is 90. To this place is 180. So 183, it will enter this quadrant. So that means from north to this place is 183 degree. So that's it. Let's say I ask you to locate 150 degree. So where will 150 degree fall? Here. So remember, this place is 90. So from here to here is 180. That means 150 will be inside this quadrant. No measurement, but let it fall in the quadrant. So that means from here to here is 150 degree. So because in bearing, you have to know how to locate the bearing first. So let's say I ask you to locate 330 degree. All your angles start from north. Don't forget, this is 90, 180, 270. Here is 360, but I need 330. So 330 will be somewhere here. So that means from beginning to this place, everything like that is 330 degree. So in bearing, the first thing is to know how to locate the bearing, as we can see now. So let's see a simple illustration of bearing. Example, let's say the bearing of A from B is 194 degree. Now, I've not asked any question here, but let us sketch this. How can we sketch this bearing? The bearing of A from B is 194 degree. That is, A is coming from B. If you see this word from, so A from B, meaning A is coming from B. So definitely B is your starting point. So B must be your starting point. A is coming from B, that is the bearing of A from B. So is it coming in this direction, this direction, this direction, or this direction? So A is coming from B, so that is the bearing of A from B is 194 degree. So where will 194 falls in this quadrant? Remember, from here to here is 90, 180. So if you touch here is 270, but we need 194. So 194 should be anywhere here, anywhere. So that means from beginning to the end here is 194 degree. So remember, total angle here is 270. That is from here to here is 270. But you know you did not complete the 270. You stop here, 194. So just say 270. Just say 270 minus 194. So that means the remaining space here will be 76 degree. Because if from here to here is already 194, and you know from here to this place is 270, then just say 270 minus 194. So that will give you 76, the remaining angle there. If I know the remaining angle, I can actually know this part. Don't forget, for any bearing, each angle in each quadrant is 90, like this. From here, I already have here to be 76. Then what should be the remaining? That should be 90 minus 76. So that's how you get the remaining angle. So, and what is 90 minus 76? So this remaining angle is 14 degree. Now, if you want to complete the triangle like this, if here is 14, here too will be 14. That is alternate angle. If that place is 76, here too will be 76. I'm not asking a particular question here, but let us learn how to draw this diagram first before we start asking questions. So this diagram is important. Let's see another twist. So that means this is A. That is, A is coming from B, as in like that. Okay, let's see another one. The bearing of C from D is 310 degree. So sketch this. Let's see how your diagram will be. The bearing of C from D is 310. So first, C from D. That means your starting point is D. C is coming from D at 310 degree. So here is 90, 180, 270. So 310 is inside this place. So that means from beginning to that place is 310. If total is 360 to this place, that is like this, and you stop at 310, the remaining is 360 minus 310. The remaining is 50 degree. So if I remember, total angle in each quadrant there is 90. 90 minus 50, so this remaining space will be 40. So you can now complete your triangle. So that if here is 40, here is 40, alternate angle. If there is 50, then here is 50. So this is C. C is coming from D. So watch this first. So let's see if you have any question before we continue.